start again. It's a red skin.
She was a lean.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I went out to Sephora and I bought the Master Mattes by Mario. I believe this is called Makeup by Mario. I had seen this on YouTube and I just had to get my hands on this Master Mattes. I always have been looking for an everyday matte palette, so I decided to pick this up and I wanted to try it. This will be my first time trying this brand. So if you're interested in seeing how this look is going to turn out, keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. And also to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, y'all, so as you can see, my face is already done. I did that for the sake of saving time, and I might step out tonight, so I wanted my editing to be as minimal as possible. Okay. So I need a transition shade, so I'm going to probably go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to use that as my transition. Ooh, this matches my skin color perfectly. Wow. All right, so next I want to try this shade right here, and I'm going to use the same brush because I want some warmth. Ooh. I like this, y'all. All right, so to darken this up, I'm probably gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm going to use a smaller brush. As you can see, I only put it in this eye area, so I'm gonna do this eye and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go back in with this shade right here, and I'm going to bring back more color. I think it's too dark. I don't want to make my eyelid look too closed. And after that, I'm gonna go back in with that little brush that I was using. I'm gonna jump into the shade I use as a transition shade, which is right here, and I'm just going to put it down here to cover up the white spaces. It kind of like a cut crease now. Goodness gracious. I kind of like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I have my eyelashes on. This is how the makeup is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips real quick. Oh, and yes, I do have on the top. I was looking real naked for a minute. But let me go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna go in with the MAC lip liner. And my lips still look like it's pink. I had lipstick on earlier. I'm going in with my Kat Von D. All right, so I am all finished with this look. Overall, I do like this palette. This is a great palette for every day if you do not want to do too much. It can go from day to night depending on what shades you do decide to use, so that is a plus. So once again, this is the eye look. Yeah. Oh, so overall with this palette, as you can see, I had my face already done and I did not have to wipe off any fallout. The colors was very pigmented. I did use a white base primer and the colors did blend well. And I do like how it looks. It looks like an everyday natural palette. So if you was to get this palette, you wouldn't be disappointed. But I do want to say that it is different alternative palettes than this one. This one was $50, and there is cheaper palettes that you can get as an alternative versus paying $50 for this. So before you run out and get this, do your research and see different price points for the same colors that are in this palette. I just want to let you guys know that. But overall, if you was to get this palette, you won't have any cons or anything. But keep those price points in mind though, because you know, $50 is a lot for a palette. It's a good palette, but it's still $50. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys next time. Bye.